It was a feeling. I don't know how I knew, but I did. The kids were in the basement watching TV, and I was in the kitchen making a salad. Making a salad for lunch. The radio was on, I was half listening. And then the doorbell rang. I figured it was just somebody selling something, you know. And then Kenny, my son, yelled up he'd get it. But then I don't know why I stopped doing what I was doing, and I went downstairs. Kenny, my boy, was just standing there. And a look in his eyes I could never forget. I felt this cold sweat come over me, you know. Saw the two soldiers standing there next to him. And then Kenny said, "It's Dad." Just 2 words. It's Dad. And I yelled, Don't you say another word." And suddenly the room began to spin, and the sound of the TV and the radio, they got louder, much louder. And then Kenny said it, even though I shoot. He said, Dad's dead. Dad's dead, Mom. And then, well, that was it. Quiet. Silence.